Today, we're in Boston's North End neighborhood, looking at a condo priced at a little under $1.2 million. This home is located in one of the best areas of Boston, close to everything the city has to offer. We will walk through this condo, looking at the features, finishes, pricing, and discuss why the North End neighborhood is a top choice for so many people looking to live in the city. For those new to this channel, my name is Charlie Smith. I'm a residential real estate advisor in Boston, Massachusetts. I work with people from all over looking to buy, lease, or invest in the city. If you have any questions about Boston real estate, you'd like to come view this property, or similar options in the area, please message, email, or call me anytime. My contact information is displayed here on screen and in the video description below. Now, stepping inside, this condo contains 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, with 1,280 square feet of space. The home is spread across 4 floors, with a kitchen and dining room here on the first level. The secondary bedroom and primary bedroom suites are on floors 2 and 3. The living room is below grade and could perhaps even be used as a 3rd bedroom, an office, or media viewing space. Originally built in 1890, this 2-family row house residence was converted into 2 condos, fully gutted and redone in 2024. Situated on a private way in the North End, at 7 Endicott Court, this home offers a quiet living experience in the city. The chef's kitchen is equipped with quartz countertops, white shaker cabinets, and stainless steel appliances, including a gas range and dishwasher. All appliances are Fisher & Paykel, a luxury kitchenware brand known for its innovative, highly functional, and durable products. The bronze fixtures contrast well with the quartz countertops and stainless steel appliances, offering a contemporary look. A kitchen island or dining table would fit in the space, providing an area to eat meals or entertain guests. Throughout the home, there's engineered hardwood flooring, recessed lighting, and sleek glass railings which deliver a chic appearance. The property is heated and cooled by a mini-split system, which you'll see throughout the tour. Each floor has 1 unit, ensuring full temperature customization in every room at all times of the year. Heading upstairs to floor 2 is the secondary bedroom suite, which is 13 by 8.5 feet in size. The room has hardwood flooring, 2 windows bringing in natural light, recessed lighting, and a walk-in closet. The bedroom could fit a full-sized bed as well as a desk or dresser. An ensuite bathroom is present and has a backlit LED smart mirror and a floating vanity with marble sink and bronze faucet. There is a tub shower combo with marble surround and the same bronze color fixtures. Heated tile floors add additional comfort. Looking at pricing, this home is in line with similar offerings in the area. So far in 2024, the North End has seen an average sales price per square foot of $1,031 per foot for 2-bedroom condos. Since this residence is a condo with 1 additional dwelling next door, there is an HOA fee of $199 monthly, including water and master insurance. We're now in the primary on the 3rd floor, which features a beautiful ensuite bathroom with the same finishes and fixtures as the bathroom and the secondary bedroom. A large walk-in closet offers plenty of storage, and high ceilings make the space feel much more open and airy. The dimensions for this room are 13.5 by 14 feet with hardwood floors, recessed LED lighting, and 2 windows which bring in natural light. Now looking at location, the North End is one of Boston's most sought-after neighborhoods, known for the vibrant culture, Italian restaurants, cafes, bars, and highly walkable area. It is the city's oldest residential community and only 0.36 square miles in size. Sometimes referred to as Boston's Little Italy, it offers a European charm with cobblestone streets, historic buildings, and an irresistible aroma of Italian cuisine wafting from its many restaurants. Living in the North End means being immersed in culture and community. Residents wake up to the hum of lively cafes, spend afternoons browsing fresh local produce at Haymarket, or enjoying waterfront views at Christopher Columbus Park. The North End is also famous for its Italian feasts and festivals, including St. Anthony's Feast and the Fisherman's Feast, which bring the streets to life with food, music, and celebration. Boston Harbor Fest is another annual event that takes place on the waterfront, featuring live music, food, and fireworks in celebration of Independence Day. For those interested in the arts, the North End Music and Performing Arts Center offers year-round concerts, theater performances, and other cultural events. During the summer months, the Boston Harbor Hotel hosts free outdoor movie nights on weekends right on the wharf. Life in the North End is infused with a strong sense of community and cultural tradition. With waterfront access nearby, residents can enjoy scenic strolls and harbor views. The North End is also a hub for food lovers, offering everything from iconic cannoli at Mike's Pastry to freshly made pasta and seafood at beloved restaurants. The culinary and cultural vibrancy of the North End is matched by its unique character. Locals and tourists mingle in bustling cafes and bakeries, sharing animated conversations and soaking up the neighborhood's rich heritage. Its narrow streets are lined with specialty shops, gelaterias, and historic landmarks, ensuring there's always something new to discover. The neighborhood is home to significant pieces of United States history, containing the Paul Revere House and the Old North Church, which are two incredibly significant landmarks of the American Revolution. Whether attending one of the North End's famous feasts or simply enjoying its welcoming atmosphere, this neighborhood delivers a quintessential Boston experience steeped in history and warmth. In terms of demographics, the North End neighborhood has changed greatly over the years, and at the moment is quite popular with young professionals. The neighborhood also has a solid population of retirees and those who grew up in the area. The median home value in the North End as of 2024 is $850,000, which is higher than the median home value in Boston as a whole, but lower than that of Back Bay, downtown, and the Seaport District. The average rent in 2024 was around $3,400 per month. The majority of housing in the North End consists of condos with a mix of 1, 2, and 3-bedroom units. According to Niche, the median age is 35 years old, and 81.3% of the adults living in the North End neighborhood have earned at least a bachelor's degree. Top occupations for those living in the North End are business, finance, management, and sales-related positions, with a growing trend of those who work in the tech and biotech industries. The median income in the North End is $120,000. North End residents aged 25 to 44 typically earn $124,000, while those between 45 and 64 years old have a median wage of $170,000. Now we're on the garden level of this condo, where a half bathroom, storage, and laundry closet can be found. The dimensions for this room are 10.5 by 11.5 feet. This space could be used in numerous different ways as a living room, home office, TV room, or even an additional bedroom for guests. This property's location is special because of its short distance to the heart of the North End. Endicott Court is just 2 blocks from Hanover Street, where the majority of restaurants and entertainment venues can be found. TD Garden is a short walk away, where you can catch a sporting event, concert, and much more. This area is also home to North Station, which allows for transit throughout the city and beyond. It takes about 2 minutes to get there. Several top-ranked universities such as MIT, Harvard, Berkeley, Northeastern, Suffolk, and Emerson are within 10 to 15 minutes away. The proximity to downtown Boston's financial district, the Seaport District, Longwood Medical Area, and the various biotech life science labs, and quick access to the suburbs make it an excellent spot for working professionals. Another great asset 5 minutes away is the Marabella Pool, which is located on the waterfront and offers great views of the harbor. The pool is a popular spot for residents during the summer months. Adjacent to the pool are multiple basketball courts, which are right on the water and also open to the public. The Rose Kennedy Greenway divides the waterfront and North End from downtown Boston and is another great green space to enjoy during all seasons. Across the street and no more than 30 seconds away from 7 Endicott Court are restaurants including Regina Pizzeria, Sal's Lunch, Tony and Elaine's, and a bar called Ward 8. While this home doesn't include a deeded parking space, resident permit parking can be found on surrounding streets. Nearby garages also offer monthly passes. A Star Market grocery store is conveniently located 5 minutes walking distance away on Causeway Street. Overall, this property would be fantastic for someone looking to live in the North End, on a quiet street yet still minutes from everything the neighborhood and city has to offer. This home is priced relatively well for its location, with low monthly condo fees. If you'd like to come tour this home in person, or you're looking to make a move in Boston, please message or call me anytime. I love meeting people who find me through my YouTube channel and would be delighted to help with your purchase or lease. I work with individuals from all over who are relocating to the greater Boston area. I focus mainly on the luxury condo buildings in Boston, however I do work in all price points in the city and beyond. If you enjoyed this home tour, let me know what you think about the property in the comments below, and stay tuned for more videos on Boston real estate, condo building reviews, and property tours.